Hi and welcome to another Rover Drive garage video. In this video we are refitting the feed pipe which runs from the power steering pump to the power steering box. Now we are fitting it first to the power steering box, which is one nut. So just screw it on first and then tighten it up with a spanner. You don't want to use too much force, but you need to make it nice and snug. You can always come back and tighten it if it leaks. After you have fastened it, make sure to check that the pipe isn't hitting the steering box. Mine was hitting, so I had to bend it a little bit to the side. Just make sure it's enough clearance so that the steering box, if it moves or engine moves, it has the room. Next, you want to make sure that the feed pipe runs over the water pump pipe. When you've done that, you're ready to connect the pipe to the steering pump. Just slide it in and then tightening up the nut. So the same thing goes for this nut. You don't want to over tighten it as you can ruin the threads. For me it was a bit slow, so I had to use the spanner a bit and then start using my hands again. And then finish off tightening it with the spanner at the end. And that's it. 2 nuts and it's in. Make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe. See you in the next one.